HVAC, or HVAC, is the technology and equipment responsible for regulating and maintaining the air temperature and quality of residential, commercial, and industrial buildings. HVAC controllers are used to regulate the operation of heating or air conditioning systems in a building, plant, or room. HVAC control systems are sensing devices like thermostats, humidistats, and process controllers to compare the actual state of an environment with a predetermined set point. Controllers then turn on or off heaters, air conditioners, and fans to adjust the ambient temperature and humidity to match the target state. HVAC controllers use a combination of analog and digital inputs and outputs to perform a variety of actions, including taking measurements, starting and stopping equipment, or opening and closing valves, dampers, and more. Stay tuned to Galco TV for more tech tips. And be sure to visit galco.com to view our full product catalog.